How to install Spicetify on Spotify. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can install Spicetify on Spotify. So let's get started. So if you're tired of the traditional, this kind of theme of Spotify, I've got you covered. You can totally customize your Spotify and add different features, different colors, different items, and other features to Spotify however you want. You can totally customize that. So for that, first of all, you need to ensure that you have downloaded Spotify on your PC. But before that, you need to ensure that you have not downloaded Spotify from the Microsoft App Store. So in order to check whether your Spotify has been downloaded from the App Store or from Google, you're going to head over to the Microsoft App Store, and once you do so, you're going to head over to the search bar and search for Spotify. So simply head over, search for Spotify, and once you do so, you'll be able to see this over here. Now over here it says free. That means the Spotify has not been downloaded, or you'll be able to see a button that says get. So if it says installed or open, that means you have downloaded Spotify from the Microsoft Store. And if it says get, that means the Spotify has not been downloaded from the Microsoft Store, but in fact it has been downloaded from any search engine. So if you have downloaded Spotify from the Microsoft Store, you're going to simply head over, search for apps over here. Click on this and you will be redirected to the home of your settings. So once you're here, you're going to search for applications and search for Spotify within that. So here you can see applications. So simply click on that and you're going to click on installed apps and then search for Spotify. And if you have downloaded from the App Store or the Microsoft Store, you're going to simply click on these three dots over here and simply uninstall your Spotify, and then you can head over to any of the search engine and search for Spotify download. So simply you're going to go to a new tab, search for Spotify download, and then you can simply head over and select this one or any of it you want, and then you're going to simply download Spotify and you're good to go. So once you have downloaded Spotify, the next thing you're going to do is go to a new tab and search for Spicetify. And here you're going to click on this over here. And once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this. Now, if you wish to install it now, you're going to simply click on install now. And this is the installation process. To do that, you're going to open your PowerShell and then you're going to paste it over here. So you're going to simply click on copy over here. Go to your search and type in PowerShell. So over here we have PowerShell. So you're going to simply run your PowerShell. And once you do so, you're going to simply paste that over here, press enter, and after that, simply run it. So you'll be able to see the message that says downloading Spicetify. So simply wait for it to get downloaded successfully. You need to acknowledge one thing in this is that if your Spotify has been downloaded with admin privileges, then you would be able to do it through the PowerShell administrator. But however, if you have downloaded Spotify locally, then you would do it in the local PowerShell. And now once it's done, you're going to simply head over and open Spotify, and here you'll be able to see something like this. But to get the stuff over here in front of you, you're going to run this once again. So simply head over to your PowerShell once again, and then you're going to run the other script this time. So simply click on enter and just wait for the script to run. So once it's done, you'll be able to see something like this. That means it's success, and everything has been run smoothly. Now you can head over and restart your Spotify, and once you open Spotify, you'll be able to see this icon appear at the top left, that is Marketplace. So now you can use Spotify Pro even if you don't really have the premium version. So you're going to simply click on Marketplace, and once you do so, you'll be able to see various extensions, themes, snippets, apps, and installs that the traditional Spotify doesn't have. So let's say you wish to add any extensions, such as we have bookmark, we have Christian Spotify, Spicetify, we have keyboard shortcuts, and we have numerous others such as Shuffle Plus, Spicetify, Loopy Loop. And let's say we're gonna, use this one, that is Beautiful Lyrics, So Californian. So let's say you want to add this one. So you're going to click on install over here. And here you're going to click on reload now. And once you do so, your Spotify will be reloaded because you have, made some changes into your Spotify. So you're going to go to the Marketplace again. and here go to the extension section and search for the specific extension once again. So you're gonna just click on close. Okay, so now over here, click on this over here, and now it says it is installed. So now let us go and play a song. Let's say we're gonna play any you want. So you're gonna head over and play any song. Let's suppose we're gonna play this. So once you play it, you'll be able to see this appear over here that says lyrics page. So even though you don't have premium, but you'll be able to play the lyrics. And now you can see that the lyrics version have been transformed. So you can see that they were really like, glowy kind of lyrics. So that is a very good addition. And now let's go over to some more extensions that you can add. Go over to the marketplace and let's just, cross that. Okay. So over here, you'll be able to see other things such as you can also have ad block plus proof premium, Wikify, and also song stats, like what is the stats about the song, what is the energy, tone art, feature shuffle, and other stuff. So these are basically some extensions. Let's talk about themes. Now you can see that the Spotify traditionally is black. So here, if you wish to change the themes, you can be able to see various themes over here. So just wait for the themes to get loaded, and here you can see that we have a burnt sienna type of theme, we have a dreary type of theme, and you can see it looks really cool. So you can simply navigate and choose whichever theme you want. So let's say we're gonna choose something like this one, like that is the dreary one. So you're gonna click on this over here, that is install, and you'll be able to see the updated version over here, that when it was last updated. And now you can see that it has been changed, so I don't really find it that much nice. So we're gonna switch to the burnt sienna one, and now you can see this is really cool. Like I like this one. So you're gonna go to library and see everything. So let's say we're gonna go back and like go to the home page. So once you're here, you can see that everything looks really cool. So now let us head over and see some more. So now it was for themes. Let's go and check snippets. So over here in snippets, you can see various features that you can change, such as you can, remove playlist album cover. You can also add rounded now playing bar. So you can totally customize it. Like you can see that here it is different. Now you can see you can add rounded images. So let us try this one over here. We're going to click on install, and here you can see it's installed. So you're going to head over and go to the album. For example, we came over to this album, and now you can see that every song has a rounded corner. Here you can see that all of the songs pictures have got rounded corners. So that's really cool. And then you can head over and check any other apps that are supported by Spicetify. So we have other apps that can be linked with Spotify, and then we have the installed ones, so you'll be able to see all of the installed ones over here. So this is a really cool feature that you can use to enhance your Spotify, and that is basically how you can install Spicetify on your Spotify account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.